Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant congratulates PI Sachin Lokre for receiving the Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation. Chief Minister took to social media and wishes PI Sachin Lokre. Here's what CM posted. Many congratulations to Police Inspector Sachin Lokre for receiving the Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation. He did an outstanding work in investigating the Kollam murder and abduction case. Minister Jennifer Montserrat also congratulated PI Sachin Lokre. Here's what Minister Jennifer Montserrat posted on her social media handle. Congratulations PI Sachin Lokre for receiving the Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation. Your extraordinary policing has brought Goa a gallantry, pride and investigation. I would also like to congratulate the 120 police personnel, including 21 women, who have received this prestigious award. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.